Back to our channel. Today we have a Nano for service with us at the moment at Jeep Zone. So you can just have a look at the vehicle. The vehicle is an Nano Petrol variant which has come for the service. You can just check, we have procured all parts at the moment. This is the air filter, brand new air filter, oil filter, engine oil, coolant top up, and also brakes will be checked at the moment. And you can just check the engine oil which is being drained out completely. The engine oil is completely drained out and it's totally a black. It's old one which we have drained out. You can just have a look at the air filter of the old part which is going to be replaced, and the oil filter is also going to be replaced. So stay tuned and watch our channel. We'll be providing you more updates on the channel, so please like and subscribe our channel. For more details, we are a multi-brand car service center. We provide both petrol and diesel cars for service. Right now we are using 5w30 fully synthetic engine oil. As per the customer requirement, we are using 5w30 fully synthetic oil, and Hella coolant we are using. We're going to top up. So the vehicle is come for annual service completely. We are going to work on this vehicle at the moment. Stay tuned and watch our channel. So this is the air filter which is going to be installed into the machine at the moment. So you can just check, this is the way the air filter is installed into the Nano cabin, air filter cabin. So you can just have a look at the coolant. We are using 1 liter coolant into the coolant box. So we use Hella coolants into the radiator. So you can just check out, the engine cap is completely removed and the engine bay is completely cleaned. So we are going to install the fully synthetic Shell 5w30 fully synthetic engine oil into this. So you can just check out, we are installing 3 liters of engine oil into the machine. Right now the servicing is done on this vehicle completely. So any kinds of petrol and diesel cars regarding service, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned and watch more and more videos coming from our channel. Thank you.